Hello and welcome guys. In this episode, we are going to see reusable Razor components inside Blazor WebAssembly applications. In my previous session, I saw how to create a multi-language application using Blazor WebAssembly. If you missed that session, I will give the link on I button. Please check it out. Okay, so today we are going to see reusable Razor components. So I have a Blazor application here. I have two menu here, Save Student and Update Student. So if I click on Update, it is going student updated successfully. If I go to Save Student, it is saying student saved successfully. But what if I want to use this message? I want to reuse this particular message inside my applications. Okay, so in this episode, we are going to see how we can reuse our components. Open Visual Studio, stop the application from running. So I have a save form here. So here save data form is there, and here update data. Okay. So here in the save student event, I am just checking it is true. Then student updated successfully. Then same thing also I am checking if the property is true. Then student saved successfully. Now we are going to use this one. No need to write this much of code in every time. We are going to create a Razor component and we are going to reuse this. Okay, so how can we do? Go to Solution Explorer. In the shared his folder, in the client application, in the shared folder, create one Razor component. Let's say I am creating for message box. So Razor component. I gave message box. Add this Razor component to your application. So we have created one Razor component. I don't need this message box and code here. I need this complete a paragraph inside my this new Razor component. So this is the message. So here I'm going to write here the same kind of condition I return for the Boolean value. So here I'm going to write, before doing this one, let's see our message box Razor box component is working or not. So for this, let's comment this code and add here straightforward our newly created message box component, right? Copy paste the same thing inside our other page. I don't need this existing code. Okay. Now run the application and we will see our this message box Razor component is calling in both the pages or not. So our here you can see it is coming save store successfully. In case of update student, it is coming. But here every time from the beginning of the page load is coming. I want after clicking the button this message would display. For that, let's go to our newly created Razor component. Okay. Now here create one more properties, that is Boolean properties. I'm giving each show. Here declare this as a parameter attribute. Okay. Next, here we need to check this one. Okay. If is so means if it is true, then display this one. And while calling from this at this our save form or update form, we need to call this one just like we are doing is message equal to true. So this one also we are not going to do here. So you can see is so equal to is message. Is so is the properties of boolean properties of our this ledger component, and this is the properties of our saving page. The same thing here I am going to do. Okay, now rerun the application and see how it is working. So here you can see save student, click on save data. After clicking only it is coming. Go to update student, click on update data. Okay, so now you can see how we can pass dynamic message into our result component. So for now also I'm going to declare one more property, one more parameter here inside my newly created reusable result component as a parameter. So it will be a string. I'm giving string display message. So this display message I want to display here. Okay, next go to here create one more properties. Let's say public string msg. So in the message box declare here msg equal to, so this is my save page. Successfully. The same thing I'm going to do in the my update page also. Assign these two update successfully. Okay, next assign this string message to our message box. So how can we declare? So here you can see display message is coming. So straightforward. Same thing also we are going to do for our insert student, right? Run the application and we can see dynamically we can pass this message to this our ledger component. Click on save student. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, I need to give @ here. So this is will be @ rerun the applications. Save student, click on save student, data save successfully, update student. Okay, this spelling is got mistake. Again go to there, here check the spelling, proper spelling, right? Rerun the application again. So data save successfully. In case of update, data update successfully. So in this way we can create a Razor component, and we can use any other Razor component if required. So here we show how to display this message box in my save student, in my update student, from one single Razor component. Guys, if you like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.